run all the way.
It's not the first time we ran through the airport.
So I'm no expert, I'm not the best travel vlogger out there, but I like to do travel vlog. I just like to film while I'm traveling, so these are some of the tips that I have for you.
Where you going, chicken nugget? We going to the chicken nugget?
Guys, this resort is
Going, chicken nugget.
So the first tip is to only carry along the gear that you need. Now, a lot of times when you're traveling, you kind of want to take along every piece of gear that you have, but you don't need every piece of gear. Just need the gear that, you know, helps you get the shot. Sometimes I want to bring a drone, sometimes I don't. I brought a drone this time, but I can't use it, so it should have just stayed at home. So you just have to think about the things that you need to get the shots that you want, and then bring that stuff along. One tip is to do something cool. We decided to go on a catamaran and go snorkeling. Do it in a nice, like, cool spot. The worst thing you can do is to not do anything. Like, find an excursion, find somewhere to go, find somewhere where there's like cool scenery. And it's probably windy right now because I don't have my windscreen on. Find something cool to do. Okay, so tonight is Mexican night, so should be pretty fun. Okay, so you also want to think about story. Now, like, I come to these places and I usually don't plan out much, but you can go one of two routes. You can show up and you can just have a good time and just record what you're doing, or you can have a story behind it. You can talk about the things that you want to do. You can make those things happen. You can plan it out. You can make sure that you have a complete story from beginning to end. You can think about what you want to tell before you even go to that place. Maybe what that place means to you. Maybe what you want to accomplish while you're at that place. Make that your mission and go there and film that and film for that. And make sure that you get everything you need to complete your story. Just like filming a short film. You're just filming your life. So as far as gear goes, you don't need a ton of gear. You don't need like a gimbal. You don't need a drone. You can just take your camera, just take an iPhone, do whatever is convenient for you, because you want to make sure you capture as much footage as possible. So if you're not capturing footage, you're not getting the stuff that you need. So that goes into my next tip, which is making sure you get all the coverage you need. And coverage is just making sure you get shots multiple times from different angles, from, you know, static shots to motion shots to anything you need from the place that you go to. Make sure you get some establishing shots. Make sure people know where you are. Establish the scene. And then go on and get those fine details. And then go and get some motion shots, some panning, some pushes, some, you know, different variety of shots. So when you go back to edit, you have a choice. You have something that you can pick from, something you can choose from. And yeah, it makes the editing process a lot easier. Alright, so now that we are done here, we're actually leaving today.
I want to leave today.
You don't want to leave today?
No, I got these.
You got those?
2, 3.
1, 2, 3. We're leaving today. I hope you guys have some happy filming. Maybe you do some travel vlogs yourself.
One more day.
We gotta go, buddy. Sorry. We'll see you guys next one.